so much for your interest in this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will just go straight to the point. I am going to show you three important plugins that you can have on your WordPress blog. Now, there are so many plugins that you can have, and you can install as many plugins as possible. But in this tutorial, I'll be showing you three very important plugins that have been of great use to me in terms of maintaining my website, and also that helps me to make money with my website and blog. Now, this is my WordPress admin back end. Now, I am already on the plugins page. I want to believe you know how to navigate your way to the plugins page. Now, the first plugin that I advise you to have on your WordPress blog is what I call the Updraft Plus backup and restore. Very useful plugin. Very useful plugin. Now, why is it very useful to you? Because you must, what the Updraft Plus backup restore plugin does is to back up your WordPress website, WordPress blog. Now you can back it up and you can also restore if you happen to lose your website or your blog, or if it is hacked. Very useful plugin, very useful plugin. And the good thing about this particular plugin is that it gives you the opportunity to back up to a cloud, especially Google Drive, and that is what I do on my website. You can link your Google Drive account to this particular plugin, and you will be able to just press, and you will be able to just press a button and it will back up. Now you can go to the setting to effect whatever you want to do at the setting. On the settings page, you'll be able to link your Google Drive account to this particular plugin. Now, I want you to look at the settings and do whatever you have to do with this button that you can see on your screen. But after you have set everything up, you can see this magical button. You can see this. Then that's the backup now. Now, when you click that button, you will be able to, it will just show you the process of backing up your WordPress blog. Is straightforward and is very easy to do. So that is the Updraft Plus blog plugin, and is a very useful one. Let us go to another. Let me go to install plugin. Another plugin that is very useful that you should have on your WordPress, and I call it, this is the Advanced Ads plugin. Why is this plugin useful? Now, you see, you have to ensure you make money with your WordPress blog. You have to ensure you make money with it. And what does the Advanced Ads plugin does for you? It gives you the opportunity to place ads on top of the pages on your blog. Very useful, very useful. And the fact is that all these plugins are free to use, and you'll be able to put a classified advert on top of all the blog posts on your WordPress blog and in specific areas inside your pages and your post. And this is very useful. That has been a very useful plugin to me, because even I have advertisers who come along to advertise on my WordPress blog. I can always place their classified adverts on top of my blog post, or a specific blog post, or a specific page, and even on a particular position in a blog post. Now, looking at the Advanced Ads plugin, let me show you. This is, you can get to the dashboard, and you can also, when you click on the advanced, after you have installed the plugin, can see the dashboard and the hearts. And let me click on the hearts. You will see some of the hearts that I've been able to set up. You can see there's an ad on top. You can always add you can always add any ad. You understand that you can always add any ad description that you can put on your blog in this place, in this particular section of it. You can see this is new ad. If you want to add any new ad, you click on this and you will be able to add a new ad. So the advanced ads plugin is a very useful plugin that you need on your website. It can help you to make money. Whenever I want to advertise a particular product or service on my WordPress blog, I always use a classified advert or a banner ad that I will place on top of all my posts, all my blog posts, on top of all my WordPress pages. So it's another useful plugin that you should have on your. Let us look at another. Let me go to install plugins again. Another useful plugin that you should have. Now you can see I have a lot of plugins, but I'm just trying to show you the very important ones that you must have. Let me go to the next one that you should have on your WordPress plugin now. And this is now this look at this. This is the rank maths. You can see that the rank maths SEO. Now you should understand that you will always need an SEO plugin on your WordPress blog. Very important. If you have a WordPress blog, if you have a WordPress website, or even any website at all, you know you need to optimize it for search engine. You need to optimize it for search engine, and that is what the Rank Maths SEO does for you. There are so many SEO plugins, but I love this because it gives me the opportunity to be able to optimize my blog post for search engines, and it has been a very useful plugin to me. Now let me show you some of my blog posts, and then you'll be able to. Let me click on edit. I will show you what you can find on a Rank Maths SEO plugin that can help you to optimize your blog post for search engine. Now everybody loves the free traffic that Google gives. So let's look at. You can see this is what the Rank Maths, this is what it gives to you. After you must have posted put your post on your blog, then you can follow this to see. You can see this. There are 6 errors because I have not optimized this particular blog post for SEO. Now add focus keyword to this SEO title, add focus keyword to SEO meta description. Now we have about 4 categories of errors that you can find in your article or in your blog post. So when you do the right things in your blog post, you see this will turn to a green background, and that means you have done something right. Now you can always follow all this. You can always follow all of these headings to do the right things when you optimize your blog post for search engine. Now I believe you have enjoyed this. I believe you will be able to install these 3 plugins on your WordPress blog or website, and you will begin to enjoy them. And I thank you so much for for watching this video. I believe you have enjoyed it.